Hey friends, welcome to the last part of the video series on chatbot development end-to-end project. I know nobody is going to watch this part of the video because in the previous part we have deployed our webhook on render and connected the chatbot with the live URL and tested it on Telegram. Here I would like to say that thank you for watching this, and I hope you take this sample quiz chatbot to a next level and develop your own product and develop your own chatbot. And I hope this series has provided you some knowledge and some insights, and I hope you have gained something. I think I'm out of word at this point because this is biggest video series on my YouTube channel. I was thinking to record this for a while, but it was not possible due to many reasons. If you face any problems, please get back to me in the comment section. I'll try to answer your queries. Please, if you like my work, consider subscribing to my channel, giving star on my GitHub repository. It helps. So I think this is it from my side. I'll wait you to develop some cool things and show it to me. See you in upcoming videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.